Imagine the world of the future. Imagine logistics of the future. Imagine a world where your vehicle, container, and cargo will tell you where they are, under which conditions they are, and when they reach you. Imagine a world where communication in supply chains has no boundaries. It is reliable, safe, and carried out in real time. Imagine less congested and much safer roads. Imagine the cities where there are fewer trucks. Imagine a global system for real-time communication between shipper, receiver, freight forwarder, driver, vehicle, and cargo. Join us. Let's build together the logistics of the future. Join the global T-Traco ecosystem. Ideas become reality. Start your future today with T-Traco.